Hey, hi everyone. Okay, so in this video, I will continue with our discussion on the rules of inference for quantified statements. Okay, so let me share my screen first. Oh, I have here another sample word problem. So these are our arguments and conclusion. We will check if the conclusion is valid using the rules of inference for quantified statements as well as the rules of inference for propositional logic. Okay, so dili jud gihapon mawala ato ang rules of inference for propositional logic in this example. Okay, so first statement, everyone in New Jersey lives within 50 kilometers from of the ocean. Then someone in New Jersey has never seen the ocean. And lastly, therefore, someone lives within 50 kilometers at an exchange of kilometers of the ocean has never seen the ocean. Okay, so first, we will identify the predicates in these arguments. So, una na kong nakita na predicate is X is in New Jersey. In New Jersey. We can write it as N of X. Okay. Next is we have X lives in within 50 kilometers of the ocean. So L of X lives within 50 kilometers of the ocean. And lastly, um, X has seen the ocean. X has seen the ocean. Or we can say O of X. Okay, so itong X ani, atong domain is a person. Okay? X is a person. Ano ato ang domain or X is all persons. Ato ang domain, anyone. Okay? This anak ko gikan ning X is in New Jersey kani. Everyone in New Jersey. Ana. So X is in New Jersey. Then L of X kaning lives in within 50 kilometers of the ocean. So mao na siya. Then O of X, mao na para ani has never seen the ocean. Para ani nga statement. So kaning someone in New Jersey, kaning someone mo ni quantifier, kani in New Jersey mo ni X is in New Jersey man. So kani siya has never seen the ocean, lahi na po na siya nga predicate. So mo na siya X has never seen the ocean na. Okay, so those are our predicates. Now we will convert these statements using the predicates below into a predicate logic. So we will use quantifiers. So first, everyone in New Jersey lives within 50 kilometers of the ocean. So unsaon na siya? Everyone, meaning for all X. So for all X. So in New Jersey, so tanang nasa New Jersey. So if X is in New Jersey, so if N of X, then tanan nga naa sa New Jersey lives within, so amo na ng L of X, lives within 50 kilometers of the ocean. So if taga New Jersey ka, nagpuyo ka near or within the 50 kilometers of the ocean. Second statement, someone in New Jersey has never seen the ocean. Oh, naay taga New Jersey, sorry. Naay taga New Jersey. So there exists, di ba? There exists X nga taga New Jersey, o N of X, nga. Okay. And and na siya. And wala kakita pa sa ocean. So, mo nay second statement. So, dapat moabot ta sa conclusion nga conclusion dapat is there is ganito. Dapat ang conclusion is someone who lives within, so exist. There is there is an X who lives within the 50 kilometers, okay, of the ocean. So someone L of X nga and wala makakita sa ocean. So mao na siya. Someone who lives in New Jersey has never seen the ocean. Unya, okay. So L of X and not O of X. Okay? So nakuha ra. So kaning L of X mo ning who lives within 50 kilometers of the ocean. So mo ni siya kani. Kani mo ni L of X. And has never seen the ocean. Mo na ni not O of X. Has seen dapat ni. Has seen ang O of X diri kay has seen the ocean para ang not O of X kay has never seen. Okay? Parang not man siya, never. Na, valide na siya ganina. Okay, so mo ni atong mga given. So how do we create another premise? So we will use the rules of inference. So tong tan-awon tong ganina nga kanang kuan katong mga rules of inference. Okay? Sa to. Videos, photos. Asa ra to tong photos. Okay. We have this now. Okay. So, gikan sa ato ang kay for all na puntay there exists dire. Okay. So, mag-start ta diri sa for all. So, pwede gikan sa for all, ka-create ta og universal instantiation with n of x, n of x implies L of x. Okay? For all x, no? For all x. Kay for all man. For all x. So we can use universal instantiation of 1. A. We can also say, we can also have, saman ka ha, take a look at it. Can also have n of x and not O of x. For some x. Kaya nga naman, there exist man. So, for some x lang. For some x. Or pwede na itong kaning C, iputan din siyang C, no? Niya, for all C. Then, there N of C, and not O of C, for some C. Okay, maura na siya. Then, we can use existential instantiation of number 2. Okay, we have number 2. Okay, unsa pa? Nata universal instantiation, we have existential instantiation. From this, o di ba? From this, we can also simplify this using simplification. O, tanawa diri o. Simplification, naatayan. So, gibilin niya ang P. Pwede po na to ibilin ang Q. So, we can say n of x. Pwede na to may kontag n of x. Kanira atong kwaon. So, that is n of x for some x na ha. Mora to gikuha diha for some x. Using simplification of simplification of 4. Okay. Can also have not O of x for some x. Yeah, using simplification gihapon of 4. Okay? So, from this, unsa kahi atong makuha ani? From this. N of x for some x. Okay, tanawan ninyo. From here, for some x, we can say